World Environment Day. World Environment Day is the most renowned day for environmental action. It is celebrated on 5 June every year. World Environment Day serves as the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. The United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972. It was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. In 1974, the theme and slogan of World Environment Day was Only One Earth. Since then, various host countries have been celebrating it. World Environment Day is also called as Eco Day and Environment Day. Nature is painting for us day after day, picture of infinite beauty. It is quite simple, as when we conserve the environment today, the future generations will be able to lead a healthier life. The ecosystem in which we live provides natural services for humans and all other species that are necessary for our health, quality of life, and survival. It is necessary to understand the importance of environment conservation and sustainable living. Further, air pollution must be reduced at all costs. Everyone must avoid taking their personal cars or bikes if possible. The people should try carpooling or taking public transport for the same. We should try not to waste electricity and prevent global warming. Among these all factors, a point is to be noted that the pollution has been reduced to much extent because of the lockdown during this pandemic COVID-19. World Environment Day is a perfect opportunity to make people aware of the issues we are facing and how one can contribute to saving it. Thank you.